Airespace was a networking hardware company founded in 2001, manufacturing wireless access points and controllers. The company developed the AP controller model for fast deployment and the lightweight access point protocol, the precursor to the CAPWAP protocol. Corporate history. Airespace was founded in 2002 by Pat Calhoun, Bob Friday, Bob O'Hara and Ajay Mishra. The company was venture-backed by Storm Ventures, Norwest Venture Partners and Battery Ventures. In 2003, it entered into an agreement to provide OEM equipment to NEC, and in 2004 to provide OEM equipment to Alcatel and Nortel. Airespace was first to market with integrated location tracking. It grew rapidly into one of the top 4 providers of enterprise Wi-Fi in 18 months. Cisco Systems acquired Airespace in 2005. Airespace products were merged into Cisco Aironet product line. External links. Cisco announces the acquisition of Airespace.